Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Sibyl Lamula Ni Mabunda. And if you are new, welcome. I hope you will stay and I hope you will join us. And for those who've been with us for a while, welcome back, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are here, you are watching, and you love our content here, please do not hesitate to click the subscribe button and join this family. All right. So today I want to do a mini Mr. Price home and Pep home haul. So I just got some few items, and I know there's things that I want to do. Like I want to organize my fridge and my cabinet, and then there are some things that I got for that. So who knows, I might bring you along in that journey. All right, just let me know down in the comment section what you think. So I went over to Mr. Price home. Mr. Price. Oh yeah. All right, so Mr. Price home, and Pep home. Let's say Pep home. Pep home. Let me get started on this haul, you guys. I am so excited. All right, so I think let me start with the Mr. Price home, and then after that I'll do the Pep home haul. So the first item that I got are these lace curtains with width 290 by 250 lace. So I got them for $179.99 each. Okay, so I want to use them for my lounge area because I have curtains, but the amount of natural light coming in is not enough, so I need to open the curtains. So I need lace curtains, so that peeping toms and all. All right, so that's the first item. So I got 4 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hope you can see, guys. So the second item that I got from Mr. Price home is this tiny little plant. This is my first ever plant, guys, alive or full. It's a full plant, and it's $79.99. All right, so maybe I'll put a picture just to show where in the house. I think I'm gonna get more of these little things just around the house, to make it more, natural, more lively. I think, yeah, I'm not really of a plant person, but I think I'm finally getting the hang of it. So yeah, I love this. I love that it's gray. Oh yeah, it matches with these pillows. See? It matches with these pillows. So maybe I'm gonna put it here in the lounge. Or maybe the kitchen, I don't know. So the next item is this candle, red, I want to add some pop of color in the house. And I got it for $89.99. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how you make this thing focus, guys. So people do this. Like, how do they even? Whew. I don't know. Yes, so it was $89.99. Like I said, pop of color. It smells really good also. So pop of color and the smell. I love. I also want to start introducing more candles, more color, like a little bit of this, a little bit of that here and there. I'm normally a minimalistic person, but I just wanna, add more spice. I think I'm gonna put a picture also, somewhere here, just to show how or where I incorporated these items in the house. All right. So the next items that I got, the first one is this paper towel holder. I used to have a silver one, but I think I want to introduce black into my kitchen, get rid of the silver. So it doesn't have the price because I bought it like I think last week or 2 weeks back. So I removed the price. Just wanted to add it to this haul because, like I said, I bought a few items. So this was like 79 rand. And I bought this fruit basket or fruit rack. This was 99 rands. Okay, also doesn't have a price, but I just got rid of my silver rack and the holder, and then I got the black. Cute name. Right, so the last items that I got from Mr. Price are these teaspoons. So I got 2 sets of teaspoons, 29.99 each. Like, guys, I don't know about you, please let me know in the comment section. I just feel like I'm always buying teaspoons. Like, teaspoons are disappearing in my house. I don't know, like, what do you do with your kids when they take teaspoons to school, especially for the yogurt? Like, I honestly don't think they bring them back. Like, what do you do? Please let me know in the comment section like what tip you can give me with regards to teaspoons, because I'm always buying teaspoons and they're always running out. Like, I don't know, where do they even go? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, where can I get plastic? I think I should get plastic teaspoons, but I've never come across those in any shop. Where can I get them? Please let me know in the comment section. Plug me, guys, please. All right, so that was that with Mr. Price home. Guys will forgive me, this is my first haul, so excuse me if I'm weird. So for my exciting, like, these are the exciting items that I got. I got them from Pep Home. So I just got fridge organizing items from Pep Home. So it's mostly fridge organizing items. I want to organize my fridge. And yeah, that's what I was talking about at the beginning, that I'm not sure if I will document, I will film the process or not, but I'm hoping I will. Let me know also in the comment section if you'd like me to film the process of me organizing my fridge and my cabinet. All right, so the first item is this egg, what do they call it? Egg storage container. It's an egg storage container, and it only costs 49.99, and it holds 14 eggs, 14 or 16. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it's 14 eggs. I think I should get another one. What do you think? I think I should have two, so that if I buy a tray of 30 eggs, then I can just put in both and then put them in the fridge, because I don't trust eggs that are not in the fridge. Hey, like, what if a chicken pops up or whatever? So that's the first item I got from Pep. The second item, so it's a fridge and pantry bin. So you can use it in the fridge, you can use it in your pantry, but this is like for the skinny stuff, right? This is like for the skinny things, like your juices, your yogurts. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna, it's like gonna be a trial and error kind of a thing. Also, I feel like this should have lids, so that you can place one on top of each other, but they didn't come with lids. This was 39.99. All right, so that's the price of this. I only got one. I also feel like I should have gotten two, so I think I should go back and buy one more of these and one more of the egg container. Next items, I got these cute little spice grinders. Okay, 19.99. All right, just 20 bucks. I think I'm gonna put my salt and pepper. Like I do have, when I buy my black pepper, it comes in its own like a little grinder container. But I think this is cute, and I can just buy the refill boxes and then put them in here. Because with black pepper, you can't, like, the containers, most of them don't open, so you have to throw it away, which breaks my heart. So I love this. So I'm also gonna buy sea salt or Himalayan salt, and then cute name. So the next items is these hooks, obviously for the lace curtains that I bought. Hooks, and these were like $6.99. So I wanted to buy it Mr. Price home, but it was like 100 rand. I'm like, what? Hell no. Hell no. I'm gonna get them at Pep, and boy, was I right. Only $6.99 for a packet. I don't know how many, a packet of 25, I think. Yeah, 25. Alright, so the last item, I told you it's a mini haul. Like, just a few items. So the last items that I bought are these containers. These are the fridge or pantry bin, so you can use them to organize your fridge or your pantry as well. I bought how many? Two. Oh, I bought 4 of these. I should have bought 6. Hey, I think I'm gonna go back to buy more, and it's $39.99. You see, so I got 4 of them. I'm so excited about these guys organizing my fridge, because you know, most of the fridge, you just put things wherever, you don't even know where's where, and it's not so organized. And also I feel like it should also have like a lid. Why don't they have lids? Guys, where do you buy your fridge organizers? Like, I've been looking for this for ages, and I finally found them at Pep. But is there other places that sell these? Maybe others that have lids where you can just put something on top, so you can place on top of each other like this, you know, when you are packing. Because now I feel like I just have to place them like these. But I'll just work with what I have for now. But if you know, if you have any plug for me, if you know other places that sell these things, please let me know down in the comment section, and then I'll go and check them out. I also saw some, like, they're like basket types at crazy stores, and they were like 50 rand each, but I just didn't like the colors. So they don't have white, they only have blue and pink, and I was like, all right, so that's it for my haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said, I will put some pictures here and there to show how I use them. And for my fridge organizing video or journey, I'll let you know if I'm going to film that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna put a picture also somewhere here in this video for you to see how I organize it. Thank you so much again for watching until the end, guys. See you again on the next video. In fact, I'm gonna shoot another video now for relationship tips. So stay tuned, guys, for another video. All right, thank you so much, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right, bye.